The Nostalgia KRS2100 5.1 cubic foot full-size Kegerator draft beer dispenser. The lightweight Nostalgia KRS2100 is a mere 85 pounds and has a strong and sturdy cabinet and an interior storage capacity of 5.1 cubic feet. A unique spring-loaded tap and a stately 13-inch tap tower make for easy dispensing of homebrew and commercial brands alike. Solid chrome guardrail to store and protect glassware, along with 4 smooth ruling casters, 2 that lock, to easily move the Kegerator from one room to the other, or out onto the patio or around the pool. Both the adjustable and removable drip tray and adjustable temperature control make for ease of use. Choose from the black matte or stainless steel cabinet, which features an interior housing bracket to snugly and safely hold the 2.5-pound CO2 tank, while still leaving room for 1 full-size or 1 pony keg or 2 5-gallon kegs. Double meter pressure regulator and a single lever handle. Now for some pros. The unit weighs half of its competitors. The internal safety bracket for the CO2 tank. Sturdy, durable cabinet features large interior capacity. Now here's some cons. There's no airline or beer line hoses included. It has a loud fan and hard-to-reach temperature controls. Hard to read instructions. Consumers turn to the internet for video assistance.